Assalamu alaikum class 8. This is your math book, New Countdown, second edition by Oxford. First chapter is operations on sets. First we will recap some basic types of sets. Sets of numbers. We know different kinds of numbers like natural numbers, whole numbers. We can also make sets from these numbers. For example, if we want to make a set of natural numbers, we will write it as n is equal to, and the natural numbers 1, 2, 3. Whole numbers w is equal to, whole number starts with 0. Integers, set of integers is represented by z is equal to, these are positive integers and these are negative integers, and center में 0 होगा. Rational numbers, you know rational numbers are the numbers that can be written in the form of numerator upon denominator. So denominator should not be equal to 0. They are represented by q. Even numbers that are divided by 2, they are represented by e. Odd numbers, set of odd numbers, numbers that are not divided by 2 is represented as o. And prime numbers, the numbers that have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So prime numbers, set of prime numbers is represented by p. Subsets. A set is a subset of another set if every element in the set is also an element of the other set. It means कि जो एक बड़ा सेट होता है उसमें से फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक स्मॉल सेट हम निकालें तो जो स्मॉलर सेट होगा इट इज़ कॉल्ड सबसेट, और जो बिगर सेट होगा इट विल बी कॉल्ड सुपर सेट. सबसेट्स आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स, प्रॉपर सबसेट एंड इम्प्रॉपर सबसेट. प्रॉपर सबसेट वो होते हैं कि जो ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द सुपर सेट कंटेन नहीं करते. सुपर सेट में कम से कम एक एलिमेंट ज़्यादा होती है. लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ प्रॉपर सबसेट. एक सेट था a इज़ इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4. इससे एक सबसेट लिया हमने b इज़ इक्वल टू 1 2 3. सो b इज़ अ सबसेट ऑफ a बट इट हैज़ वन एलिमेंट लेस देन इट्स सुपर सेट. सो प्रॉपर सबसेट में एक कम से कम एलिमेंट जो है वो लेस होती है सुपर सेट के मुकाबले में. If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then A and B are improper subsets of each other. It means कि improper subsets जो होते हैं वो दोनों equal होते हैं, equal number of elements होती हैं. So we can say A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. They are both equal, so they are called improper subsets. Proper subsets को we denote it like this. Improper subsets को like this. Power set. The set of all these subsets is called a power set. For example, if A is a set AB, so इसके जितने भी subsets होंगे they will be called power set. The set of all of its subsets are called power set. Power set of A is equal to, you can write the subsets of set A as this empty set, then set A, then B, and then AB. These are all the subsets of set A. So the set of all the subsets of A are called power set of A. To find the power set of a set, we can use the formula power set of A is equal to 2 times the number of elements in the set.